If something that we do down here reminds you of something on there, then bring it up. Okay?
Mr. Riley,
Cindy.
can we do our way that we did in our homework stuff?
Not right now. But if something that we do today reminds you of what we did for homework, please bring that up as well. Okay? This is a worm.
What is
And this worm is 10 blocks long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks long. And there are 2 birds.
Yummy.
Those are very good birds.
Yeah.
No,
Now these 2 birds get half of the worm each.
Oh, that's...
This is quite easy, but just wait. How many blocks do they get each?
5.
5. Because we know that half of 10 is 5.
Easy.
What does the bottom number on this fraction mean?
It means the whole.
Talk to your partner.
It means like
the whole.
it's the whole thing.
total.
It
means the whole
thing,
thing,
and
the
whole
The whole
one means
The whole total. The total. The whole total.
What does the 2 on the bottom mean, Nikita?
I really think it's like the total, because I think the 1's the total and the 2's like what half it is.
No, it's
Like
not.
1/2.
It's not.
It
What do you
is
think?
2 parts.
It sounds
No,
quite
get
right.
Oh, just a moment. What do you, Charles?
It sounds quite right because they get a piece each and there's 2 pieces.
So, but you said that 2 meant there was a whole.
Yeah, but the one on the top means they get the 1/2 and then the other half. And the bottom is like the 2 pieces they split in half. And if they get 2, like 2 each, there would be 4 for them. 4 5s for them. 4 5s.
Where is this 2 here on the materials?
Because they both get half each.
It's the total.
It's a total.
It's
The total
of,
what?
It's the total of the worm. It's the total of the total of the whole worm.
But the total of the whole worm is 10.
That's what I was saying. I was saying that.
That's a good question. Have a talk to your partner. The total of the whole worm is 10. Why is there a 2 here?
Because that's one of them's a how do you say it?
Dominate.
I think it's because
Dominate.
so the
Dominate.
1 stands for like 1 word.
Sorry, 2 seconds. We've got someone speaking.
I think the 1 stands for like there's only 1 worm, and the 2 is like how many halves you can only do.
Think about, we talked about that kite yesterday, didn't we?
Yeah.
And we said that 3/4 of the kite was yellow. What did the 4 mean then? Talk to your buddy about it.
The
whole.
the 4 means the top half.
Yeah, it means all of it in whole.
So we're looking at the kite. What does the 4 mean?
There and there, and the 3 means what bit of it's taken away. There's 1 bit taken away.
Charles, can you just say to the group what the 4 means, please?
The 4 means the whole. And the 3 means
Well, you said it meant the whole, but you also said something else. Where are the 4 things that we're talking about? What are we
the
talking
4
about?
things are so there's the top 3 colour. These 3 that's yellow out of that blue.
But I'm asking what the 4 means.
The
The 4 means a quarter. 3 of the whole.
Is the
So there's like
isn't
no.
Cindy, you can come in. Well, you won't get to. Sorry, sure.
Well, isn't the bottom one the denominator?
Yep, they have names. The top number is called the numerator, and the bottom one's called the denominator. And I remember new dog. That's how I remember what goes. Your top dog and bottom. don't really need to worry about that at the moment. I want to know what the bottom number means.
It means like, so there's like 4.
Don't draw me a new picture. I want you to tell me looking at that kite.
Well, it means like, say there's like 4 split up, and 1, and like, so there's 4 in total. If you split them up, it would be even pieces with total 4.
Can you add on to what she said, Samuel?
I
Oh, and what?
So I was just thinking about the 3 at the top.
I just want to talk about the 4 at the moment. What does the 4 on the bottom mean?
It means the whole. So
It means the whole. It means every.
the
But
whole.
wouldn't the whole thing be 1? If we're talking about my whole sandwich, wouldn't that be a 1? There's 1 whole.
No, because
No.
it's like
So if you
it's
split
half
this,
into quarters, right?
yeah.
And then 1 is shaped red. Yeah.
Cindy? Do you have anything to add?
All I know is I think the 4 is a part.
It has to be 1 whole because the 3.
No, the 4 is the split up
I
thing.
know.
So like, if it was 1/4, it'd be like take 1 piece of the whole 4, and then you're left with 3.
The whole 4. So you're saying there's a whole thing, but there's 4 parts. Is that what you're saying? So 1 kite, but 4 parts to the kite. Is that what you mean?
Yeah, there's 4 parts of the kite and one's a different colour.
No, I
So
just
you-
lost it.
You're showing me here. So you're saying there's 4 things here, and one is
Different colour.
a different colour.
Yeah. Well, it's different.
So, all right. If we're talking about this, then we're saying 3/4 of this is yellow.
Yeah.
What does the 4 mean?
4 means what?
The 4 means the whole.
The whole thing but if you split it, that means the whole.
So
Because
like,
And how many pieces are there in the whole?
for 1. Oh, 4?
What do
the
you think?
whole means the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's not 4.
Yeah, it is.
No, we're talking about the.
Yeah, we're talking about the kite.
What do you think, Monique? Sure.
There's frictions or something.
But why is it a 4 then?
Because
What would this one mean?
oh,
3, 5, 3/5. Wouldn't that? That's a
It
whole
mean
as well?
I mean,
Yeah.
3 things were coloured in, so 3 people weren't on there, but
Out
the
of
rest
5.
of them were.
But what does the 5 mean?
I think I
Five.
know
Oh,
what
the
you're
5
saying.
means how many people were on there.
Yes. 5 means how many people were on boards, but 3 means how many people were on.
What about if we're talking about these counters here?
Well,
Well,
that means
that's like just.
So here are the counters. I want to do 3/5 of these counters.
so turn 3 of them over.
And it will be
3 out of
What other one?
it's 4.
Why is that better?
We're talking about 3, 4.
I'm talking about this one here. I want to see 3/5.
Oh, should we go over there?
Why have you added another one?
Because
you
like
had
it
the
is.
Then there's 5 of them. 3 out of 5.
So what does the 5 mean on the bottom?
It means the whole. I think I know what you mean because I think you're like trying to say that if you took away like 3, then it should be a different a different type of number. But it isn't. It's the whole, and then like 1/4 like there's like 4 quarters on each, and like 1 quarter's taken away.
So can I put this into fifths? What if I said here a whole lot more? Can this be fifths? Could that be 2/5 as well?
Yes.
Why?
2/5. That's 2/5.
How many counters? Sorry, something else. How many counters are red?
1/2.
1.
How many counters are red now?
2. 2.
It's a fraction.
2 of the 2. 2 of the halves. 2 quarters.
2 halves.
No, 2 halves is 2 quarters.
2 quarters? Why do you say 2 quarters?
It's 2 and a 4 second.
If it was 2 quarters,
Oh.
then it would be 4 here and there was a 4 there.
No,
No, there
No,
will be 2
there'll be-
there and 4 there.
there'll be 1 here and 1 there.
2, 4.
Um,
2.
Can I split a class of kids in half?
4. Yeah.
yes.
Right now you
If that
can,
even,
but
if that even.
but if Ashlyn was here, you couldn't.
Yes. Look,
Slash 2.
you can't do it now.
You can't.
You can.
You
Two,
can. You
two,
can.
two,
3
6.
I can split those 3 up and those 3 up.
But if Ashlyn was here,
Go.
she would be like
1,
a
2,
break
3.
into it. She would be like, you can half it.
Yes.
Go either way.
No one.
No one would half it if
Would it be
Ashlyn
like-
was here.
Yes.
How?
Like
4
these
over there,
4
3 over here,
counters is
3
2
over here.
There's
4
6
over
of
there.
us.
each.
Then there'll be 7. 7 isn't on them.
Nikki, you just said it the same way. 3 over there, 4 over there, or 4 over there, 3 over there.
Yeah, that's what she was referring to.
4,
From way round.
4, 2.
How can half of these counters be red and half of those counters be red if there's
Because-
different numbers in them?
Because there's
It's like a group.
3 and 3.
Sorry, can you say that again?
It's like a group, like a group of red and a group of yellow, which they like. I don't know.
So what did she just say?
Just like a
There's
group.
like a group of red and there's a group of yellow.
So might the bottom number have something to do with groups?
Yes.
If we
There's
go, hold
two
on.
groups.
If we look back at
There's
our
two
worm
groups.
problem,
Because there's 2 groups. There's
There's
2
two
halves. If you make it
halves.
into a half,
There's
so it
2
must
groups
be
of 1.
two
Two
groups
groups
of
of
1.
2. No, 1 group of 2.
Yeah, 1 group of 2.
Because if it's 1 half.
2 groups of
1.
halves.
So say this. Say this color was yellow. 1 group of yellow, 1 group of red.
so what is the 2 on the bottom? Remember, these are our birds. 1 bird, 2 birds. This bird got to eat half the worm, and this bird got to eat half the worm. What does the 2 mean
Groups.
on the bottom? There's 2
Groups.
groups. Where are our 2 groups?
There.
Right.
Yeah.
And what does the 1 mean on top then?
There.
The
The hole. The
hole.
hole. That hole.
that way.
The hole when it was not split up.
The whole worm.
It's just, so this is 1
The whole
group,
blood worm.
and this is 1 group, and there are 2 groups altogether.
Oh.
It's like
Means
one
one half.
total-
No.
The total of the
It means-
groups.
It means one. It means 1 part of the halves.
1
Part
half.
of half.
So 1 part of that. So this bird got to eat 1 of the halves, and this bird got to eat
1.
1 of the halves.
It's fun.
What if there were 3 birds?
Oh, it's gonna
How can that be?
They could have split them into 3.
What
Or
if
you can have
there
9.
were-
You can have 9 instead of 10.
Oh, that's good. I like that idea.
3 plus
I
3
think so.
plus 3.
Yeah.
Really? Lockbreaker.
You can put them into 3.
Oh no, he ate some of the worm now.
So how much would, if there were 3 birds, how much would each worm get?
So,
One bird would get 3, 1 bird would get 3, and 1 bird would get 3.
out of the whole, they would get 3 each.
So 3, 4,
3 lots.
Three over two.
3 lots
Three
of 1.
lots of 2.
Three
lots of 1.
Three groups of
3
two.
groups of 2. No,
3 groups of
One.
three. No,
Wait,
3 groups of 3.
1 group
Because-
of 3.
No, 3
Three
groups.
birds.
Look.
So
1,
3
2,
lots of
3.
3.
3 groups
2,
of
3.
3 groups of 3 because there's 3 halves
And there's 3
thirds.
on each
3
lot.
groups.
So 3 lots of
1,
3.
3 over 3.
3 lots of worms.
9 lots of 3.
So,
Like
What-
a free.
what fraction did this bird get to eat of the worm?
Look,
3.
a pig on a track.
3 what?
3
Three groups
parts
of
of the
3.
worm.
Oh, 1 part of the third.
1 out of 3.
Like,
What did she just say?
1 out of the third. 1/3.
Because
so, oh, it's 1/3.
1.
What do you mean?
It's
One
1/3 because there's one
One whole
group. No, there's 3 groups, but 1 half, like 1 piece for each.
One whole.
So what number should go on the bottom, Charles?
3.
Why?
Because that's the smaller number.
You're screwing up your face. Do you disagree? Do you disagree that 3?
He thinks it's the smaller number.
Okay.
3.
What number goes on the bottom? What does the bottom number tell us?
Groups.
Groups.
Oh no, that's the big group. Oh, yeah, 3 groups.
1 group.
There's 1.
And the top one's the
Just
whole
like
thing.
one
half it into 3.
We didn't half it into 3 because halving is into 2.
And the
We
top
joined
one's
it?
the whole.
We split it into
3.
3 parts, or split it into thirds. Good. So, and how many thirds did each worm get? Did each bird
3.
get? They all ate 3/3.
1.
1/3.
1.
What if this bird was really greedy and ate those? This bird got this and this bird got nothing. How would we write the fraction for how much this bird ate and how much this bird ate? Talk to your
One over
partner,
2.
please.
Half.
2 thirds.
1 out of 2.
I mean,
Yeah, 2/3.
yeah, 2 thirds.
12.
So
2/3.
this bird here, what fraction?
2/3.
What fraction did he eat? Cheryl?
2/3.
How do I write that as a fraction?
2/3.
2.
2-3.
And can you talk to me, please, Kaya? What does the 3 mean?
the 3 means
Sorry, I keep making that.
the 3 means those.
Is that right? The 3 means that there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
It means the groups.
No. Oh, yes.
Can you say what you said again, Cheryl?
It means the groups.
Means the
So
groups.
fractions are pretty much groups and pieces.
Fractions are absolutely groups and pieces. But I just want to check. So the 3 means that there are 3 groups altogether.
Yep.
So what does this 2 mean then, Charles?
And 2, it means how many one of the birds.
It means the
How many what?
How many?
Samuel?
It's the 2 pieces. The 2 pieces.
The 2 out of the...
The
3.
3 holes.
How much did this bird eat?
2. 1. 2/3. 1.
This bird here?
Oh.
This bird ate 2/3? How much did-
1/3.
1/3. Could you find me somewhere, on the people down in front of you, find me somewhere that's 1/3. Show me something in the picture which shows me a 1/3 fraction.
Oh, here, I found it.
1/3.
That's this.
And that's.
Oh man, it doesn't work.
So that's.
Charles, what have you found? What have you and your partner found?
People.
Pardon?
The people.
What about...
So that is
Because
Third.
two boys have 2 boobs and one girl doesn't.
So what does that mean?
It
That
means
1/3.
2/3.
Which one's 2/3 and which one's 1/3?
The boys.
And the 1/3 is here.
The
ribbon?
1/3 because one of them the bow and two of them are not. And also one of them's wearing
I can find a one
this
before.
bit and one.
I can
There's
do
one thing I want to show you before. One thing I want to touch on just before we go, because this is touches on what you did for your homework.
it.
No, it's not.
So we're not running too late. We're slightly late. How long was our worm in total?
9 pieces.
9 pieces. Now, this bird here that ate 2/3, this bird ate 1/3. How many pieces did this bird get to eat?
2. 2 pieces.
Sorry, how many pieces of the 9?
6.
6.
And how many pieces?
3.
3.
So what this tells you is
It's
that
3 6.
2/3 of 9 is
3 6.
6. And 1/3 of 9 is
3.
3.
I did that sort of slightly in the helmet, but not like.
Good. So tell me, to talk to your partner, how does this relate to what you did for your homework? How does this relate to what you did for your homework? Because your homework was
My brother had
$20,
Oh,
and one person got 3/4, and one person
they take off
got
just.
1/4.
I
Talk
split
to your
mine into
talk to your
pies.
talk to your buddy. Is there a reason you're standing up?
They take off. They take someone has.
So like my brother
So
had
if someone
one
has
one
bit,
bit. My brother
and
was
I
had
had 3.
My brother was greedy.
So
No,
like,
I was
So
greedy.
that
Yes,
one's 11.
I was greedy.
that one
Yes.
I was greedy. And
That's
you
what I
got
did,
So you
because
got
I put my
5.
like
brother
I got 15.
Some
So
onto one.
things.
So
half is
so I'm
15.
greedy.
You know what? Look,
Take
it
one
has
is
adding
20.
into it. So that's 11.
and
And
then
that
it
one's
turned out
plus
5 times
5. And
Which is
Okay,
why
four.
I made a complete the whole
15.
year.
11 plus 4
5
equals
to
15.
5 is 15.
genius.
So it's
You're not the only one
I
that's
got
doing this, Charles.
I'm going to share with you some pictures. A good way of thinking about a fraction. I'll show you 2 ways. One, we know our whole is $20.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What would half of that $20 be?
10.
What would quarter of that $20 be?
5. That's what I did.
So that way, if you need to work out 3/4, you can just do 3 times 5, because that's 3/4. Another way you can draw it instead of circles is with long bars like this.
Or you
So our whole bar is $20. If you were sharing it with 2 people, you get $10 each.
quarters.
If you're doing it here, 5, 5, 5, 5.
Or you could
If you
do
were still getting
paddocks.
half each, you'd still get 10 because you get 2 5s.
Or you could do paddocks with stars in them, like I did.
You could. That was another way of doing it. So next time, rather than doing the stars, you could just do the number, couldn't you?